Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to the channel if you're new. It is time for the unboxing of the Supernatural Winter Crate by CultureFly, and once again it's a ScoobyNatural theme, which the last Winter Crate was that as well. And the only thing I know is that we were getting like a hoodie sweatshirt, so I did up the size of the wearables that I was getting. I was getting small, I upped it. I don't remember if I upped it to medium or large because I do tend to like my hoodies a little bit bigger. So without further ado, let's get started. Ooh. Oh, okay, I'm going to start with this because it's on top. It's an epoxy pin set with Baby and the Mystery Machine. I'm a sucker for anything with Baby and the Mystery Machine. Put that aside. We have a Supernatural tapestry. Okay. This reminds me of things that I would see in people's college dorm rooms. But they called it a tapestry. Well, I guess tapestry, wall hanging, decoration. Okay. Kind of cute. We have a Scooby-Doo LED light. I think it's taped. Oh, of course it is. Okay, so here's the base, and it looks like Scooby holding Sam, Dean, and Cass in a magnifying glass. It's kind of cute. Well, you have to remove the plastic film before you use. Alright, we'll figure that out later. Ooh, a ramen bowl. Okay, I don't know why they had to put these stickies down. Okay, this one was easier though. Ooh, it's ceramic. This is nice. It's a ScoobyNatural and then a Rut-Row. Ooh, this is really nice. Wow. When I first saw the box, I thought it was going to be like that plastic, but nope. That is nice. Okay. Oh! And Scooby-Doo chopsticks. Even better. It's the whole set. That's really cool. I'll have to buy some ramen and give it a shot. Ooh! A key hook organizer. Oh, that is really nice. It's nice wood. It's got the drawing of the chase scene and little hooks for the keys, or I mean, you could even do like jewelry or purses. That's really nice. And last but not least, the hoodie, which says ScoobyNatural on the front, and then When Worlds Collide on the back. This is really cute. I like this. And it's really soft. I cannot wait to start wearing this. I'm really glad I upped the size, because this, okay, yeah, I upped it to a medium. So, but I'm really glad I upped it so that it's a little bit bigger and a little more roomy, because this seems like it's going to be really, really cozy. So I can't wait to wear it. As always, I hope you had fun unboxing the Supernatural crate with me. And until next time.